Great news for all you e-reader fans. The new Amazon Kindle Scribe models are finally here. Amazon announced them back in September, and now, just in time for the holidays, the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft and the Kindle Scribe with front light are officially available. I just got my review samples, and I'll be putting them through their paces over the next few days. Now, they aren't cheap. The Scribe with front light starts at $500, and the Colorsoft model will set you back $630, but you get some serious upgrades for that price. They have larger 11-inch screens with smaller bezels, a new mini LED lighting system, and they're even slimmer and lighter than before. Plus, a new processor gives them a 40% performance boost. You might remember some early Kindle Colorsofts had a yellow tint issue. I checked the new Scribe Colorsoft right away, and I'm happy to report I didn't see any yellowing at all. The display looks fantastic. I'll have my full review up soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.